when I was in fifth standard. Yeah, and I just told my parents that mom and dad, मुझे acting करना है anyhow. And this is it for me. And dad was telling mom कि यार phase है, चले जाएगा, बच्ची है अभी तो, it's okay. And mom was like, I don't think ये phase जा रहा है. And I was in love back in the days with Katrina's song, that song, Sheila Ki Jawani. And I was like, I used to keep dancing on it. Anytime a family member would come home, I would just be like, guys, I can dance to this. And then I would just start. But I think I've always had the craze for acting. I've always had it because back in school, I used to also be a part of dramatics. So I would be the show opener. So, seeing your parents cheer for you there and seeing people telling you that, wow, you've really acted well and, it was a great opening. I just felt like, okay, I think this is it. Yeah, and I think it really depends on what you can bring to the table, right? If you can bring talent, you can bring hard work, you can be persistent, then you can cut through everything. There's no beating you, like you are going to make it. So I think at the end of the day, it's about how you work it out for yourself, how many auditions you give, how many auditions you crack, what all you show up to and for. I think that's what matters the most. I think, yeah, honestly, when it comes to movies, yes, because music videos ka journey to pehle se hi shuru ho gaya tha, you've seen it. So that was like, I think that gave me visibility. But what really gave me depth was getting to the movies. So I think that took time, yes, because you have to really be able to crack that audition. And it's also a lot of luck, yeah. Like it's hard work combined with your luck. Because I happened to meet my first film's director for literally an ad shoot. We met on an ad shoot, and that's how he said that, listen, Kashika, I want to narrate this to you. So I think it was more about my director and, we came across each other on sets. So when we were shooting for this ad, he came up to me and sir said that, Kashika, I have a script in mind and I couldn't really find the girl who'd be perfect for the role. I've been looking and searching for literally more than a year. And I finally found someone and I want to narrate it to you. And I said, of course, let's do it. So one of the days we had a narration, I fell in love with the script. And I felt a story like Ayushmati Geeta Matric Pass would be the best one to make a debut with. Like the best film to make a debut with. Because it's so, I think, it's so important in today's times to really put out a message that we've forgotten to put light on. Like we've forgotten to throw light on such a topic. And now finally I feel like, we've done that. Because अगर आपकी कहानी सही है मूवी की तो फिर पिक्चर चलने ही वाली है, right? So everything depends on your storyline. I think it has to be a kick-ass story, that the audience can relate to and say, yaar, this is something different. We love the story. We can connect to it. So I think, yes, stories for sure. Then looking at the director. If he's done great films, how many films he's done, is he a great director? And more, I think more importantly, for him to give you that freedom as an actor, because then you know that, yeah, sir believes in you. So of course, and ऐसे नहीं होता है यार. I think storyline comes first because see, there are so many newcomers. You can't say that I don't want to work with a newcomer. You can't say I don't want to work with a new director. I mean, it makes a difference. Maybe you say that in the start of your career, you'll never say that because you're just starting off. You'll say that, yeah, the project matters. It's coming to me. But I think there'll come a point where you'll get choosy and you'll say that, no, I think this is the time I feel like I want to work with selective people. I think the right word would be evolution. I've evolved as an actor. Because music videos, like I told you, even in the rapid fire, that music videos gave me a lot of visibility, which I'm happy about because then that one eye saw me and said that, we've seen your work and now we want you in films. And films gave me depth. Like I really, really am someone who seeps myself into the character. So, music videos were like, fast emotions. एक second में आपको दिख रहा है मैं रो रही हूँ, कभी हंस रही हूँ, कभी कुछ romantic कर रही हूँ. Just a second kind of emotions, But when you watch a film, you as an audience are literally giving yourself up in that theater and you're saying, yeah, let's live the movie. So as an actor, you have to imagine, you have to do better than the audience 10 times and you have to feel that so that the audience can really, live that freedom in the theaters. So I think it transforms you a lot. Doing a film is very different from doing music videos. It's giving 40 days or 30 days of your, life or of that particular year in really putting yourself out there. हाँ जी। आई थिंक येस, सॉन्ग्स टॉट मी अ लॉट। मुझे डायरेक्शन समझ में आ गया, कि डायरेक्शन ऐसे होता है। I understood that, okay, producers are involved like this. Production ऐसे होता है, because it's all the same. If you do a movie or a song, direction, production, having ADs, it doesn't change. It's the same. The only thing that's different is the formatting. That this is for the theaters, for OTT, and it's a movie. A song is like a 2 minute, 1 minute thing. But it teaches you a lot, because even in a song, I've realized nowadays directors tell you that, just give all of yourself in, just seep into that character. So even a song that's of just a few minutes can teach you so much, and that really helps when you transition yourself into the movies. You see that, okay, it's helped you in some way, you feel certain things. So I think you learn a lot. As a new actor, you have very limited choices. You don't have so many choices, right? But when you get established is when the question comes in that, do you want to do this film or not? Or do you want to do this particular project or not? Whether it's a music video, a film, a short film, anything. It's about you wanting to do it, right? So I think that's also your journey, right, of transitioning from an actor who's unknown to a known, where you make your choices. So yes, it is difficult in the start, because you can't think so much कि यार मैं कर लूँ नहीं कर लूँ, अरे मिल रहा है आप ले लो ना, big deal, at least कुछ दिख जाएगा आपका, एक glimpse के यार she's beautiful, or यार she's a good actor, कुछ ना कुछ दिख जाता है वो one eye को. So I think just take it if you're getting it. I think constructive criticism is good. It helps you in your growth. But if it's baseless, then I just avoid it. I don't have time for it, because even my social media, I hardly see it. Like I open, I post, and I'm off the gram. I've learned this from my mom, because she's like, social media can get so consuming and toxic. Just take a break from it, unless and until you really need to post your work related or something or the other. There are times when I'm very active, and there are times when I'm like, nah, bus ho gaya now. I want my break. I want my space. So, no, actually, I don't have trolls. I don't. I have people showering love upon me. Like, I have people from Spain, people from the US, people from different areas of life, and I'm like, that's so beautiful that I know that I've connected to them in some way or the other. My work's connected to them. So they just shower so much love upon me. So much. Like today, it's one of my fan page's birthday. And I just told them, where do you stay? I'd like to send you something, because they put up a story saying, ma'am, please see our DM. And then my PR team told me, because I didn't check it, because we've been, so caught up with these interviews. I said, "Theek hai, chalo, I'll see it." And I saw it and I said, listen, just get the address now from the person. And the person's like, your wish is enough. And I was like, that's so sweet, because I just wished you. And that really touched me. But यार आप समझो ना, आप अभी बोल रहे हो fake IDs, तो मतलब how disturbed are those souls that they're coming from a fake ID and commenting? Why they're not coming from their real account? I mean, they can even do that, right? But they're coming from a fake account, so it shows some amount of jealousy or some amount of, that, yeah, I'm sitting at home idle doing nothing, that you're doing such a thing to someone. Because I feel everyone's journey is difficult, no matter what. And, you should just accept people the way they are. And if you don't, yeah, just go on to the next. Now, there are so many options today. You literally have a market full of options. Why are you just like, stuck on one person and trolling them? I feel bad for those people. I think to be yourself, yeah. I mean, I think it's about you just being authentic. And I am a very kind person. I am like that. बहुत लोग मुझे बोलते हैं यार industry hard बनाने वाली है. Don't be so kind. So many of my co-stars, why are you being so nice to makeup and to the makeup and hair artist team? Why are you being so nice to the stylists? You can just be rude to them and keep them in their place. And I'm like, that doesn't work for me, because that's not my nature. I feel career बाद में आता है, character पहले आता है. Be a nice person. That will bring you more work on your table. Nothing else can bring you more work and authentically on the table unless and until you're a good person. Because your character is what counts. When you pass away someday, your character is going to go with you. Not your work, not your money. So I think to be authentic and be the real you is important. And I to tell people, yaar, मैं change नहीं करने वाली हूँ अपने आप को. I am going to be this nice person. If someone wants to take it incorrectly, good for you, take it. And if someone feels she's being too nice, good for you. और to be honest, तो एक दिन पहले, release के एक दिन पहले, पूरी family बैठी थी साथ में, my mom, dad, me, my sister, Gucci, my pet. And we were all discussing, and mom and dad were like, Kashika, what's your reaction going to be like when you get to know that it's worked or not worked at the box office? And then I told them, I said, yeah, it would probably hurt. And they were like, you can't let that happen, because as an actor, that's why they asked me that question, you know, because my dad said, and my mom, they said that as an actor, you are done with your performance. You've performed, you've given your best. You can't worry about what's going to happen at the box office, because that's going to satisfy you on some days, and some days you're going to be dissatisfied. So, I think, you know, some days, so they said, I'll just reframe that so you can cut that part. So, some days, you know, they said that you will be very satisfied when your film releases at the box office and it's a super hit and it does really well. But then at that time, make sure you're humble. And when it doesn't do well, make sure it doesn't affect you. And even if it does well, don't change yourself in any way. You know, don't let it affect you a certain way where you feel like, yaar, maine kyun kiya, kya kiya? You can't do that as an actor, because then you'll always be disturbed. Pressure is good, ठीक है, but you've given your best, यार. आप इससे ज़्यादा क्या कर सकते हो? It's not like you're the producer, right? I mean, you can't do much about it. I mean, जो हुआ हुआ at the box office. But I think to be positive and look at your next in a positive way. And at the end of the day, you made a choice. Like I told you, my first choice was a script. It was an amazing script. अब बाद में क्या हो, that's not my problem, right? But of course, I put in my best. The team has put in their efforts altogether. And then it's luck, yeah. I mean, everyone's done their best. So, and actually, our film released at a time when Bollywood had already fallen down. If you realize, that was the time when all the films coming back to back were not doing well.
Even now, बहुत ही कम Bollywood movies.
That's what the team said, na? They said that doesn't mean we won't release, na? हम तो release करेंगे. We were always aiming at the big screen, and that's what we wanted. And I think the biggest win for us was that the film released. बहुत लोग ऐसे होते हैं जिनकी फिल्में बनी हुई हैं और शेल्व हो गई है बैठ के, और आधे लोगों का पैसा गया है, आधे लोगों की फिल्में कंटिन्यू नहीं हुई है. यहाँ पे आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल दैट आवर फिल्म रिलीज्ड. That was a big win for me. So, I think the fact that people really loved me as Geeta, they said that, you know, you were so authentic to the role, we could really connect. Like everyone who came for the premiere, when they came out, they hugged me, they were crying, they said, we can't believe Kashika Bacha, this is you now. And that really touches you, because then you know, okay, you've done some, you know, great work. Oh God, that was a refreshing phase. Like it changed my life entirely, because I felt like God is just holding my hand. कि अभी बॉलीवुड नहीं चल रहा है, टॉलीवुड चल रहा है, and you know, God gave me a break there, and I'm so grateful. I went, I auditioned, I bagged it, and everything took off from there. And now I have 3 South films in the pipeline. So I'm really excited. I'm looking forward. Yeah, I think Bollywood का time खराब है अभी. That's what I feel, and I also feel like you have to give newcomers an opportunity. यार, you can't be using the same faces, because see ना, it's not working. जितना भी आप try कर रहे हो, the audience is not appreciating or accepting. Maybe they want something new. And I have to tell you, there are very talented people out there. I've seen them at auditions also. But यार, chance ही नहीं मिल रहा. तो क्या करेगा इंसान? It's, I think, to be honest, it's not easy, because I did Geeta, and that's how the South team called my dad, because my dad is my manager, and they said, we've seen her film Geeta, and we want to, you know, bag her for life, but we'd like to audition her, of course. So I think that's what happened, but again, it was because I had done certain projects. And they also liked my song Ishka with Viral. They told dad, they said that usme Kashika ka proper South look dikh raha hai. And you know, she fits in, so we won that. So it's not easy anywhere. Like I told you, it's a hard work, luck, and if someone connects with you at the right time. So it's very refreshing. Honestly, ऐसा कुछ नहीं था, because I'm a very quick learner. Not to be blowing my own trumpet, but I was a mugger back in school. So it's very easy for me to understand and learn quickly. So when I went there for my first film, my director said, you're going to be talking in English and it'll be dubbed in Telugu later. And I was like, okay, theek hai. And I reached there on the first day of shoot, and he's given me this Telugu script. And I'm like, shit, are you serious? And he's like, yeah, because it was such a long script, but I somehow managed to do it. And they were very happy. And I was like, okay, great. Because back in the days, I got to know this, that people used to talk, people going from this side, from Bollywood to Tollywood, they used to speak in their own language, Hindi or English. And what would happen, वो बाद में जाके वहाँ पर, you know, dub हो जाता था. But now it's changed. They wanted to... Yeah, sorry. Now it's changed. They wanted to match with your lips, you know, so the lip sync has to be there. Hence, they ask you to speak in their regional language. I think OTT is great. It's giving a lot of newcomers an opportunity to prove themselves. So it's great. But at the same time, nothing can change the fact that a theatrical performance will always remain beautiful. Like no one can match up to that level of a theatre. You know, I mean, till date, when you go to a theater and watch a Kantara, it's beautiful. When you watch it at home, it's like you're watching a movie, simple movie. But when you go there, you actually see the VFX, it connects to you. So a theater is always going to remain that way, and the beauty of a theater is never going to disappear. It's always going to remain the same. यार, I think चलने की बात नहीं है, but beauty बदल गई है अभी. You're understanding? Like, the beauty of cinemas was like, wow, we're going to watch a Sridevi, we're going to watch an Anil Kapoor, we're going to, you know, watch a Madhubala. But now things have changed. Times have changed. That's because our generation has changed. You know, so things are very different. And I think the beauty of cinemas back then was very, very different. And now the beauty is different. I mean, it's still beautiful, but of course, कम हो गया है. लोगों का जाना कम हो गया है. तभी रीच ज्यादा थी, लोग कनेक्ट कर रहे थे. अब लोग घर पे बैठ के स्नैक्स खा के कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं, विच इज ओके. इवॉल्व हो गया सिनेमा, क्या कर सकते हैं. आई थिंक व्हेन आई वेंट फॉर द प्रमोशंस ऑफ आयुष्मती गीता मैट्रिक पास, वी डिड दिस टूर. हमने सिटी टूर्स किए थे, वेयर वी वेंट टू जयपुर, वी वेंट टू दिल्ली. सो अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल रिकॉग्नाइज्ड मी, एंड अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल केम अप विथ माय पिक्चर्स, एंड दे सेड दैट लिसन, वी लव यू, प्लीज साइन इट, दिस दैट, एंड दैट रियली टच्ड मी. And also when I went for live movie promotions, where this little boy comes to me, literally when I was in the vanity, and I was just getting ready, and he comes and he's like, I want a picture, Didi ke saath ek photo chahiye. He was just telling the security. So he came in, and I was like, please come in, and he gave me a little flower, little boy. So it really touched me, and it was so cute that, people, it was so sweet of him to have come up to me and, show me so much love, because then I know that, okay, I am connecting to someone. I know that my work is reaching, out to the masses. So I'm really happy. Oh, I love Mahesh Babu. I love Junior NTR, Ram Charan, Allu Arjun. You ask me and I'll give you like endless names, but I think I want to do the best stories. I want to be a part of massive storytelling and beautiful storytelling. And I want to be a part of something that's refreshing and that's challenging, and that'll make an impact. I love his aura, I love his acting. I loved Band Baja Bharat, and I feel like he's just free. And as an actor, you have to leave yourself behind. It means to not act. So you just like, you have to be in that space wherein you give yourself away and you're like, yeah, I'm just the character. So I think that. I really can't, because they are like huge projects, and I've been asked to keep it, under wraps. So I think let's just keep it that way. It's in the pipeline, but when it's out, we'll do this interview again. Thank you. Yeah, आप मुझे नाम दो ना headline आपके company का or something. Oh shit, इतने. Okay guys, okay. So this is for my fans. Thank you so much for showering so much love upon me all the time. And thank you guys. It's because of you that I am standing where I am today. Thank you so much for all your love. I love you guys immensely. I think half your battle is won when your parents support you, because my mom or my dad, they are always traveling with me. I have one of them coming with me for my movie shoots, for my song shoots. So I know that, okay, I have my pillar of strength by me, and nothing can go wrong. So it's always important. More than a manager, I trust them as my managers. Though they are, of course, my parents, but it's just that, you have that trust and they have it in you, that we'll never give wrong work to Kashika. And Kashika knows that, she'll do the best work with her parents, because they'll always support her in doing what's right, and they are your best critiques. They always tell me when I'm going wrong anywhere. So I think I love that about them. There's so much more to learn in life. There's a long way to go, and I'm still young. So I think having my parents by me is the best thing ever. Like in South or in general? I don't believe in remakes, yeah, because I feel the spark of something very new and fresh can't be recreated. So definitely not a remake, but to come with a new feature.
But